Hi, I am Mitch Gerstein, Senior Tax Advisor at Isdayner & Company. I will be discussing if a tax extension should be considered. What are reasons for and against filing an extension? Another tax season is here, and the environment continues to be complicated, as it has been in the last few years. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 and the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017 both continue to affect individuals and businesses. Some of the tax changes are being phased out, while others have become expired. Filing a federal extension form is a way to provide additional time to complete an accurate tax return. The extension period is generally 6 months, extending the due date for submitting your individual return from April 15th to October 15th, while business returns, such as partnerships, limited liability companies, and S corporations, extend from March 15th to September 15th. In many states, for example, Pennsylvania and New Jersey, filing a federal extension for individuals will automatically extend the filing date for state submission purposes. Other states, like New York, require filing their own extension form. Please note, an extension of time to file is not an extension to pay taxes. If you owe taxes, you should pay them by the original filing due date to avoid potential penalties and interest on the amount owed. Therefore, you will still need to estimate whether you will owe any taxes and pay an estimated balance by the original due date. Extending your tax return filings will not increase the chances of an IRS audit. What are the pros of filing an extension? It provides additional time to file returns without penalty, and in some circumstances, you may not have a choice while awaiting missing tax information, such as Schedule K-1s that report business and/or investment activity of partners, S corporation shareholders, along with beneficiaries of estates and trusts, or corrected tax documents such as Form 1099-B, reporting brokerage transactions. An extension provides additional time to make sure tax elections for certain deductions and credits really benefit you. Filing an extension also provides additional time to fund in 2024 certain types of retirement plans, such as SEP IRAs, however claim the retirement plan deduction in 2023. An extension also provides additional time to file your gift tax return. Here's a tip. If you know you'll be waiting for late arriving tax documents, then provide us with all other available documents as soon as you can gather them all together. We will then be able to prepare a draft tax return for review and discussion. It will be less stressful and time-consuming to complete and file your tax returns by the original due date should the missing tax information arrive in time, and if not, the draft tax return will be the basis for determining taxes owed and to be paid when filing an extension. What are the cons of filing an extension? Just a couple. If you are anticipating a large overpayment that you want refunded, filing an extension will delay receiving the tax refund until the completed return is submitted and processed by IRS. Filing an extension will not provide additional time to fund traditional IRA and Roth IRA retirement contributions.